I have taken this question from ITJ, and this question is quite simple for you. And we are using some basic formulas, but important is here, like we can see such kind of question in ITJ. But if you are having such kind of question, don't get panic and try to solve that question at that. And now, if you can see here, the question is simple. Here we are having the integration that is going from 3 root 2 by 4 to 3 root 2 by 4. And the integration that we have to do 48 and root over 9 minus 4 adjust. This is the thing that is given here. Now what we have to do, firstly we will write all the requirements that is needed here. So requirement is nothing because this one is a constant. It will come outside. So I will write the value as 48 and it will goes like 3 root 2 by 4 and this one will be 3 root 3 by 4. Here you will write it as equal to root of 9 minus of 4 x square. If I am taking 4 common, you will write here the value as 2. Simple. So you can cancel this value, you will get the value as 24. Now this value can also be written as 3 by 2. So here there is a formula that we have, that is integration, that is given as root of a square minus of x square dx, that is equal to sine inverse x by a plus of c. This is the thing that we can write. Now apply that formula here and you will write the value as 24 sine inverse x by, and this one is nothing but that is 3 by 2. So I can write it as equal to 2 by 3. And the integration that we have to do in between 3 root 2 by 4, and here you will write 3 root 3 by 4. So first we will put upper limit, then we will put lower limit. So you will get the value as 24 and this value will become sine inverse 2 multiplied with 3 root 3 by 4, and then we are getting the value as sine inverse 2 3 root 2 by 4. That's it. We will get such kind of answer. Understood? Now let's cancel everything. So we can cancel this one. You will get 3 root 2. And this one is 2 by 3, right? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. This one is 2 by 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, root 2 get cancelled. This one will come root 2. So here you are getting sine inverse of root 3 by 2 and here you are getting sine inverse of 1 by root 2. So we already know the principal value, that is sine inverse of 1 by root 2 can be written as pi by 4 and this one can be written as pi by 3. So you will write the value as 24 multiplied with pi by 3 minus of pi by 4. Now let's expand this one and you will get the value as 24 multiplied with 4 3s are 12. Here you will write 4 pi, here you will write 3 pi, and then we can cancel this value. 12 2s are 24. This one will become 2 times of pi. And that's the answer that you will get. Understood? So this is the basic formula that we are using, and this is the question that we can solve with the help of this concept.